Welcome back, everyone. Today was supposed to be the continuation of our learning photography from the beginning, but I have been under the weather and I have not been able to finish that video. So I just wanted to give you guys a short video that I was wanting to talk about for my wedding photographer friends. We will resume the learning photography from scratch video in the next few days as soon as I get the strength to put one all together. The light goes into that. So y'all just bear with me, and I apologize. It was supposed to be out today. I will do my best to get it out this week. But for my wedding photographer friends. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you. Any photographers that really do a lot of work for money. Photography has never really been a hobby for me. It's always been a living. So I like to share this with my friends that make a living with photography, especially wedding photography or anything that can't be replaced. It's very important that you have backups. A lot of the new cameras have 2 memory card spots. Put 2 memory cards in there and back them up so that you're getting the same thing to each card. If you're taking pictures, get pictures put on both cards. If you're doing video, make sure it goes to each card. Don't send video to one card and pictures to the other card. You want duplicate backups. When I leave a wedding, I leave the wedding with two memory cards that have the pictures on them. I leave it with the, it's on the, I also have it on the hard drive of the computer on an external hard drive too. So when I get back to the office, I download it to my 16 terabyte NAS drive. So I have 2 backups there. I also back it up to Google Drive, and I also back it up to ShootProof, which is where our customers look. Once I'm done with their pictures, I just keep it in archive. Now it does cost a little extra to do that, but I'm a little bit crazy when it comes to backing up. And when I finish my memory cards, I don't just delete them, put them back in the camera and keep going. As I keep those as just like little mini external hard drives. The stuff is so cheap compared to losing a shoot where you're getting paid or losing someone's wedding. It's just not worth it. So do all you can to save the wedding, save whatever you're being paid for. So I just wanted to go over that with you. It's very important to save your work, do the best that you can. Also, when I'm photographing a wedding, I'll shoot the guys, I'll download the pictures, then I'll shoot the girls, I'll download the pictures. I never go for more than an hour shooting at a wedding without downloading and looking at them, because you never know when a piece of equipment is messing up. You could have your camera messing up, a lens could be messing up, a flash could look like it's firing, but it could be off time. You know, there's just so much that could go wrong. So always try to go less than an hour before you download to make sure all your pictures look good. Have them backed up in multiple places. If you're out of town and you're in a hotel or you're going to eat, make sure that you keep the pictures with you, or at least, you know, if you go into a restaurant, at least carry in the memory cards and maybe the external hard drive. I try to get everything back to the hotel, but I try to keep everything with me at the same time. I never, ever sleep in the hotel and leave everything in the car. So I always have a few backups with me. Usually I have everything with me in the hotel. So that's just me. That's just how I've done it. I've been shooting for 40 years of weddings and we've yet to lose one. So I plan on retiring in about 7 years, and I'm hoping by the time I get to 62, I'll have a 100% success rate with weddings. So that's what I'm looking for, because try to treat them all as your own. Treat every wedding that you photograph as if it was your own wedding or your son's or your daughter's wedding. You wouldn't want some photographer just half-heartedly doing it. You'd want them to do their very best to keep up with it and make sure that it's kept safe. So, hey, with that said, I do apologize again about being under the weather and not being able to finish the learning photography from beginning, but I want the video to be really good. I've worked on it a few times and it's just not where I want it to be, and it's only about half done. So y'all give me a few more days and that video will be up. I do apologize. I hate that, because that's a project I've been looking forward to working on, and it was really only week 2 that we were getting into that, but it will be coming soon. Y'all just bear with me. I don't know what I've had. I don't know if I've had the flu or the COVID or something, but it just ain't been fun. So I just wanted to share this short video with you today, and I will be back on that video as soon as possible. And hey, if we're helping you guys out, please hit that like and subscribe button. And I'm always here to answer your questions, any question that you may have, whether you're new or you have 40 years experience, just let me know and I'll help you out any way I can. Hey, y'all have a good day. Thank you.